Hello, Namaste yogis. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do a quick 5-minute breath work routine that's really good to practice specifically on an empty stomach, just to activate all areas of your lungs. Now, be mindful that this practice is pretty breath intensive. So if you have any ailments, any issues with the nervous system or digestive tract or heart, just be mindful. Consult a doctor before practicing this pranayama, this breathing exercise. Breathing exercises were considered sacred and secretive by the yogis back in the day because they were reaching alternative states of consciousness in the mountains by themselves during meditation. So over the years, these practices have released into the public and now are available for practice, and hence me, just a little old blonde yogi, teaching you how to do it, as it is a part of my regular yoga practice. Now, there are still hidden techniques that are only available if you go to certain ashrams and practice with certain gurus. However, this is a very common pranayama practice, breathwork practice, that is pretty well known in the public yoga community, which is why I just wanted to create a quick video on how you can do it, a step-by-step process, and just making it an easy part of your practice. It doesn't have to be anything super complicated or complex to do. So again, because it is intense on your stomach and gut, I recommend doing this on an empty stomach, or at least having not eaten or consumed any food within the last 4 hours. Typically, the best time to practice this pranayama would be in the morning, right after you wake up. You can take it as intense or as gentle as you want, but I'm just going to be showing you the basics on how to do it in this video. So we'll begin by preparing our body and just stepping into how it should feel before we go in and get faster with it. So putting one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart, and just feeling the body as it's breathing here, just taking a couple normal inhales and exhales. Good, and now inhale, focusing on the lower hand, the hand that's on the belly. As you inhale, feel your stomach press out. So this might feel counterintuitive if you're used to breathing with the chest. As you exhale, press in with the hand and press your belly button to your spine. Again, this might feel counterintuitive. Typically, especially in America, we've learned to breathe with our chest. So when we inhale, our belly comes in. When we exhale, our belly goes out. This is because we're in our fight or flight mode with our nervous system. So learning to breathe with the belly will bring a calming sense to the nervous system. If you've ever seen a baby breathe, right? They sit there and they lay there and they breathe with their belly because they're very calm, relaxed, and peaceful. Whereas with our fast-paced culture and community to constantly be busy and be doing things, we tend to find ourselves in this upper chest breathing area. Now, it's okay to breathe in this when you're running or you're doing things that are intentionally putting your body into fight or flight, but specifically for yoga, the more you practice to breathe with your stomach, the more you learn how to calm your nervous system, the better. So inhale, fill up the belly on the lower hand, feel it extend out, and intentionally with the hand, press inward as you exhale, bringing that belly button into the spine. Again, inhale and exhale. Chest is moving very little. Inhale and exhale. Good, so really intentionally clearing out the gut and clearing out our digestive tract. That's what the intention is behind Kapalbhati, which is the pranayama yoga practice that we're going to be doing. It is a quick, forceful exhalation and an automatic inhalation. Don't think about it too much. It will just happen, that inhale will come automatically. So let's practice with that forceful exhalation and just notice that inhalation come automatically. Taking a deep inhale, fill up the belly. And forceful exhale, press it out, press your hand to your belly button to spine. And just notice that inhale comes automatically. You're not trying to forceful exhale and intentional inhale. No, just forceful exhale. Inhale comes natural. Let's do that again. Inhale, fill up the belly. And forceful exhale. Good. Again. Forceful exhale. Again. Inhale. Forceful exhale. Press the belly. Good. So now we'll do a couple rounds of this. This is really good to do before you actually get into your physical yoga practice, as you are clearing the bowels and tuning in to the rhythm and the feeling of your breath, bringing awareness onto all parts of your body as it moves through you. I like to keep my hands on my knees for this practice, especially when I get really intense with it and close my eyes and focus on my third eye. I just feel like it keeps me stable and centered and grounded as my body kind of moves to the rhythm of the breath. I also like to pick a song, and like a 2 to 3 minute song, and pump to the rhythm of the beat. And then I find this really helpful with just keeping in rhythm and keeping in tune and going deep. And then after we're going to do the pumping rounds, we're going to hold the breath. So we're going to take an inhale to fill up and we'll hold. We will do this round 1 time, but I do recommend watching the video back and doing this for a total of 3 times along with me. So if this is too intense at any point, please stop and take a moment or go slower. This is totally about you learning how your body's working and just bringing the awareness to your breath. So don't push beyond your boundaries. Just stay within what is comfortable for you. And if you can feel like you can go intense and go faster, then please do. And if not, just stay with me or peel back and go a little easier. So hands on your knees or really wherever is comfortable. Spine nice and tall, crown of the head reaching up to the sky. Firmly rooted. Again, you can either be just directly on the ground, on your yoga mat, on a comfortable cushion, or you can sit up on your knees, which is also really nice for this Kapalbhati pranayama breathing exercise as well. So inhale to prepare, fill up the belly. Eyes open or closed, and exhale, let it out. Belly button to spine. Inhale to prepare, and forceful exhales out. Belly button to spine with every exhale. Pump the body. Exhale, release everything out. Belly button, spine. Inhale, fill up the body, fill up the belly. Fill up the chest all the way up to the collarbones. Sit up nice and tall. Hold the breath, retain. Chin to the chest just slightly. Let the shoulders relax away from the ears. And exhale, release. Let it all out, let it out. Inhale, fill up. And exhale, let it go. So that is Kapalbhati, my friends, a pranayama exercise, quick and easy. You can do on an empty stomach to reconnect to the breath and reconnect to your body. And I hope you're feeling this yoga high just from doing this 1 round and maybe doing another round or 2 to get the full benefits. Have an amazing, wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Inhaling our thumb knuckles up to our third eye, forehead center. Thank you. Exhale, we bow. Namaste.